Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Almost the end of the month. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. Unbagging. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Where you get this at a low cost. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you want this item, click the link, add it to your cart. Check out, and they'll ship this to you fast. Here we go. This is coming from Besder Tech. Oh baby. Here we go. You're on the road. Besder's Wi-Fi Smart Cam. Easy to achieve real-time remote viewing. Wi-Fi Smart Cam. Ooh. IP66 Wi-Fi Smart Camera. So you're going to need your iPhone or Android. Ultra Far Infrared. Support TF card. Wi-Fi. Cable. Remote viewing. 5 decibel single. Two-way audio. Snapshot. Alarm push. Human body induction. Look at that happy family. Okay. Sides, QR code time. Here's all the good stuff. IR sensor, TF card slot, 4 pieces of white LEDs, lens, 4-piece array LEDs, microphone, check. Designed for indoor or outdoor. Dual antenna. So that's always gives you a few seconds heads up. Hopefully that never happens to you guys, because it never happened to me, so knock on wood. Just can only imagine. Doesn't sound like a fun time. Get the manual. And then now the power cord. Actually got a free spot now. Cool. It is definitely cold out, so I'll probably hook these up during the summertime, but I'll show you how to run it. Yeah, indoor right now, but summertime I'll do a review video. But it is nasty out there. Oh, it comes with a memory. That's a bonus. Bada boom. Size of it. 32 gig. We got these to screw it down. Water caps. Protect it from crazy weather we have. Especially everywhere now, it seems like. It's just a strange decade. Alright guys, here we go. And we got it standing in one spot. That over there, that over there, that over there. And now we got the white, so this will be good for outdoors. Especially this power. Got the juice now. So all you gotta do is just take this. Take off the twist ties. Oh yeah. Alright. Oh, this is a long cord. So this is a nice setup for outdoor indoor cam. I think they're like under $100 or around $100, so really affordable right now. They got a sale going on, so you know, click the link. So that's pretty long right there. He's got to plug it in here. Oops. Like I said, I'm gonna do outdoors, so gotta get these caps on. This. Dun 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 dun. I think something goes like this. Maybe not. Oh, come on. And that plugs into that. So I'll do these for outdoors, save them for the springtime. But that's how those go. Got the washer right there, plugged in. I gotta grab my iPhone. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the trusty old iPhone. I'm recording on my Android, so can't use Android right now, but iPhone does the job. So scan the QR. Oops, here it is. Here's the real QR. Right there. I see app. Okay. Got it. Oops. Here we go. That's what it looks like. Just gotta plug her in. Make sure you take off this little guy. Boom. Boom, boom. We'll put the SD slot right now. Right here. It's all the goodies. The reset button. The memory card. But you can always upgrade it whatever they go up to now. So, but just make sure you get the right size and right shape. So, we'll have this fully stocked and ready to roll. So 32 gig. That's good enough for home security. But you could add their cloud service if you choose. And that's an extra monthly payment. That's up to you guys. You don't have to do it. But if you want to feel more secured, especially if you like to travel a lot, then I could say do it. But especially right now during what's going on. So there we go. It's nice and easy in there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, there we go. Cover that back up. It's always a good thing they could give you a memory card, so that's a good bonus. Micro SD. Oops. Oh, come on. Everybody's a little tipsy these days. Oh. No, we'll keep it. I know it's gonna move once I turn it on, but I'll keep it like this. Plug time. It's a long enough cord, so that's good. We'll keep it standing. Not that far to reach. Okay, she's juiced in. Give it a second to load up.
Please input wireless router password. Network is connecting. Please wait a moment.
Ooh, it's pretty quick reaction time, so that's a good start. Wi-Fi is acting really nice today so far, so that's a good bonus. Sometimes I don't know about my WoW, but gotta do what I gotta do. It's gonna take a second, hopefully. It says connecting, please wait. Come on. Click the upper right button to display Wi-Fi connection. Oh, config. I already got it going. It registered it fast, so hopefully I did this right. Maybe I'm supposed to press. So you gotta do it like this sometimes. It's gonna be stubborn. Alright, sorry about that. Any second should be going.
Connect to router successfully. Network connection success.
Alright.
Please set the login password.
Alright, so this make up a password. It's gonna ask you password for your device. That's what I'm doing right now. I'll do. Then you gotta name it. Garage, balcony. That's what I'm gonna name it. Balcony. Save. Normal. Alarm is triggered. We'll do. Here's the layout. Whoa. Not now. So you get. Hello. Hello. Ooh, that was loud. You get full HD, and you go flip. And it moves. Here we go. That's fairly clear. Moving up, moving down. You can take a snapshot. There you go. Spinning around. Light mode. Double light. White light, normal. Night vision's good to go. This is a nice one though. So if you guys are in the market to get a really good Wi-Fi smart camera that's easy to set up, this would be a good one to get, guys. If I could do it, you guys would do it. This is coming from Besder. I think that's how you pronounce it. Sorry if I butchered it up, but check them out, YouTubers. Link is going to be down below. Be safe. Have a great day. See you soon.